Dirt track for us is a great pathway into Grand Prix racing. That's where I started. I was one of these little KTM juniors once upon a time. Jack Miller here. We're basically doing a little bit of a different pre-event before the Australian Grand Prix down here at Phillip Island. We decided with the guys from KTM Australia come and do a little bit of a coaching program with the Australian Flat Track Series juniors. Walked around, kicked a bit of dirt with the kids, basically showed them key points to look for when arriving to a new track or a new surface. And then we basically broke the track down into a few different parts, worked on some corner entry and exit, and then basically tying it all together with the mid-corner, just trying to really help the guys improve their corner speed. It was awesome to have the likes of Billy Van Eerde, Australian Flat Track racer, and then Maxwell, American Flat Track racer here, both on KTMs obviously. I had my brand new flat track bike here that Franco's been kind enough to build up in the last couple of weeks for us. It's been a project going on with the new version of the KTM 450, and it definitely looks cool. I didn't get to ride it today, unfortunately. We don't want to scratch it before the weekend. I think the guys are going to put it on a show, so we won't scratch it or make it dirty before the weekend, but definitely look forward to spinning a wheel on that thing soon.